today we are going to learn English, and in English we learn abbreviation. So abbreviation is very important parts for your exam and your daily knowledge. So before we going to learn abbreviation, I will tell you something about this topic. So first, what is meant by abbreviation? Yeah, definition of abbreviation. So abbreviation is a shorten of the word or phrase. It's called an abbreviation. So it is a shortened form. Shorten means कमी करने. In other word, we can say abbreviation means short form. Short form. Okay. Now in Marathi we can say abbreviation means संक्षिप्त रूप. Abbreviation means संक्षिप्त रूप. Okay. So on the board I given some abbreviation. First we read all the abbreviation, and second time I will tell you there which letters we put for the full form and which letter for short form. Okay. So first we read all the abbreviation. You learn proper, you see proper, and listen proper. One number today, today. Second number tomorrow, tomorrow. Third number tonight, tonight. Fourth number AFAIK as far as I know. Then fifth number AKA also known as. Then sixth number ASAP as soon as possible. Then seventh one BRB, be right back. Then eighth one BTW, by the way. Then nine number before, before. Then 10 number BT, but. Then 11th one see you, see you. Then 12th one CUL, see you later. Then 13th one TBH, to be honest. Then here FB, Facebook. Then 15 GR8, great. Then 16 HAND, have a nice day. Then 17 IAC, in any case. Then 18 IRL, in real life. Then 19 GBO, God bless you. Then 20 POV, point of view. Then 21 OMW, on my way. Then 22 TYVM, thank you very much. Then 23 NP, no problem. Then 24 ISO, in search of. Then last JK, just kidding. So these are the abbreviation forms. Okay. So actually it is a short form. It is a short form. It is a full form. Okay. हे short form आहे आणि full form आहे. So second we going to learn their proper. First today. So it is a today. It is short form. It is a full form. Today म्हणजे आज. Okay. So you write short form like that. So it is an abbreviation for that word. It is a abbreviation for that word. You write like that, short. Okay. Next one tomorrow. So it is a tomorrow. It is short form. Tomorrow it is a full form. Okay. Next one, third number tonight. Tonight. So it is a tonight like that. So it is a short form. It is a full form. Next one, tonight means आजच्या रात्री. Then AFAIK means as far as know. So first AFAIK like that. So it is a short form. It is a full form. AFAIK means as far as I know. Okay. Next one AKA. AKA means also known as. AKA means also known as. Next one ASAP means as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Next one BRB. BRB means be right back. Be right back. मी परत येतो. Next one BTW. BTW means by the way. By the way. Next one B4. So there is a B for 4F. This all word. B4. Okay. अगोदर. BT. BT means but. It is a short form. BT full form but. Next one CU. CU means परत भेटू. Okay. CU. CU like that. Then CUL. CUL means see you later. See you later like that. Understood? Then TBH, to be honest. To be honest. So it is a short form. It is a full form. In every letters coming like that. The first letter T for to, B for B, H for honest like that. Next one 14 number Facebook. Facebook short form is FB. FB is a short form, full form Facebook. Then 15 number GR8. It is a great. Okay. great. So like that, all word is like that. Next one, HAND. HAND means have a nice day. H for have, A for nice, day. Have a nice day, like that. Next one, IAC. So it is a in any case. So it is a short form, it is a full form. Next one, IRL means in real life. IRL means in real life. Next one, GBO. G for God, B for bless you. God bless you. Then POV means point of view. Point of view, like that. Next one, OMW. OMW means on my way. So on my way. So first letter, it is the same here. It is a short form. It is a full form of that words. Next one, TYVM means thank you very much. Thank you very much, like that. Okay. Then NP. NP means no problem. NP means no problem. Okay. So these are the short form. It is a full form. Then ISO. ISO means in search of. In search of, like that. Next one, JK means just kidding. एखादी चेष्टा करत असेल तर आपण काय म्हणतो, JK means just kidding. So it is a abbreviation. Abbreviation means it is a shortened form. Short form. Okay. Shortened means कमी करणे. पूर्ण full form ला आपण काय करतो, short मध्ये लिहितो. It's called a abbreviation. If you learn like that, you have to solve all the question based on this topic very easily. If you learn like that, you learn proper. It is a short form, it is a full form. You know the A, F, A, I, K, like that. So A for as, F for far, A for as, I for I, and K for no. So like that you learn. If you learn like that, you have to solve all the questions based on this topic very easily. Okay. So here are some question of abbreviation in our exam. The question is coming like that on abbreviations. Every question have 4 options. One option is correct, and each question have 2 marks. Okay. So on the board, I given some question of abbreviation. First, we read all the questions, and second time we try to solve it. Okay. So like that you read it, so you know the meaning of the question, and you easily solve all the question. So first, we read all the question here. You listen carefully and see on the blackboard. 1 number. The expansion of the term CUL. Second number, what is the full form of GBU? Third number, what is the short form of tonight? Then 4 number, which of the following abbreviation pair is incorrect? Then 5th one, choose the correct short form of just kidding. Then here 6th number, full form of TBH. Then last one, which of the following abbreviation pair is correct? Okay, so these are the questions. Now we will try to solve it. So everyone look on the board and listen carefully. Number 1 is the expansion of the term CUL. Expansion of the term CUL. So expansion means it is a full form. It is a full form. So you choose the full form of this short form. 1 number option, CU soon. Second number, see you later. Third number, see you now. And last one is see you again. So which is correct here? Option number 2, because see you later. So it is a correct full form of CUL. Okay? See you later. Nantar भेटूया. Next one, second number. What is the full form of GBU? Okay? So it is a short form. You search full form in option. 1 number, God bless you. Second number, God help you. Third number, God protect you. And last one is God happy. So which is correct here? First number, God bless you. So option number 1 is correct, because G for God, B for bless, U for Y. So like that, God bless you. It is a full form. It is a short form. So it is short form of, this is a full form. Next one, third number, what is the short form of tonight? What is the short form of tonight? So you choose the short form of tonight. ओके, आपल्याला tonight या शब्दाचं आपल्याला संक्षिप्त रूप शोधायचं. tonight या शब्दाचं आपल्याला संक्षिप्त रूप शोधायचं, म्हणजे लहान झाले होते भाग. 1 number option tonight. Second number tomorrow. Third number today. And last one is tonight. So which is correct here? Which is a short form of tonight here? 1 number no. Second also no. Third no. 4 number yes. So 2 for two, night for night. It is a short form of tonight, like that. Okay. Next one, 4 number. Which of the following abbreviation pair is incorrect? If you read the question, you read proper. So which of the following abbreviation pair is incorrect? खाली दिलेले संक्षिप्त जोड्या त्यातली कुठली चुकीची जोडी ते आपल्याला आता शोधायची. 1 number option bro brother. Second number sis sister. Third number FB textbook. Last one is GR8 grade. So which is incorrect pairs of abbreviation? चुकीची जोडी, जी संक्षिप्त रूपची चुकीची जोडी आहे ती आपल्याला आता शोधायची. So bro brother it is a correct. Sis sister is also correct. FB textbook it is a wrong here because FB means Facebook not textbook. GR8 grade it is a correct. So 1, 2, 4 are correct. Only third number is incorrect and we choose incorrect pairs. Next one, 5th number, choose the correct short form of just kidding. So we choose the short form of just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. So 1 number option JC, second number JK, third number JT and last one is JD. So which is short form of just kidding here? JC no, JK is correct here because J for just, K for kidding. So it is a short form of just kidding here. Option number 2 is correct. Next, 6th number, full form of TBH. So you see the full form of TBH. Option number 1, to be honest. Second number, to be humble. Third number, to be smart. Last one is to be honorable. So which is correct here? First, to be honest. Option number 1 is correct, to be honest. So it is a short form, it is a full form. Next one, last. Which of the following abbreviation pair is correct? खाली दिलेले संक्षिप्त जोड्या त्यातलीच कुठली जोडी बरोबर आहे ते आपल्याला शोधायची. Okay. Here we choose incorrect pair, but here we choose the correct pairs. So 1 number option today, tonight. Second number tomorrow, today. Then third number see you, Facebook, and last one is before. So which is correct here? Today, tonight. So it is wrong. Tomorrow, today. It's also wrong. See you, Facebook. It's also wrong. Last one before. It is a correct pairs. It is a correct abbreviation pairs. So 4 number option is correct here. So like that questions we learn. If you learn like that, you have to know all the abbreviation forms. So you have to learn all the abbreviation form with their meaning, with their spelling. So if you read, if you learn like that, you have to solve all the questions based on this topic very easily. So everyone learn proper and solve all the questions based on this topic. Thank you very much.